Now, what are emission scopes? Emission scopes are a widely recognized metric for measuring carbon footprints, and they are categorized into three scopes based on their sources of emissions. Scope 1 refers to emissions resulting directly from activities such as combustion processes or on-site industrial emissions. Scope 2 refers to energy-related emissions, such as those resulting from the method used to produce the electricity purchased by an organization from the electricity grid. Scope 3 refers to the indirect emissions that occur due to facility activities such as maintenance, transportation, logistics, and end-of-life treatment of equipment. Accounting for these emission scopes are a way to help organizations ensure regulatory compliance, unlock cost savings through tax credits, minimize wastage, and even attract new investment, all of which can contribute to gaining a competitive advantage. Now, how can an organization achieve both reduction efficiency as well as sustainability in its operations? Stay tuned for the next installment in our sustainability series.